Hi and welcome. Thank you for downloading the extension. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this nice little menu up in your top right corner. So to get started, let's download the extension. We'll hit add extension. So it gives you a nice little icon right here, but once you hit the X, it goes away. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back up and we're going to hit the puzzle piece, and then you're just going to hit this little pin next to it. Now you have access to this entire menu. From here, you're able to access all the different features. If you don't want the settings to automatically upload on every single resubmit, on every single page, you'll go to the general controls. This gives you access to all of our community pages, such as our Discord, our Reddit, and our Facebook. If you find a bug, you could also hit this link and it will take you to a bug submit page. But to disable the auto reloading, you're going to hit this little button right here. This will make it so that you will be able to choose when you could actually update. So if we go now to Wikipedia and we hit re-upload, it gives you your open dyslexic font automatically. If we wanted to change it, we could go into our font type and select any of the installed fonts that we have on our system. And there will be a video on installing new fonts as well. And if you'd like to support us, which is very much appreciated, you could go to the supporters tab and hit the Patreon link at the bottom, which will bring you directly to our Patreon link. The extension is made completely free with all its features included because of our patrons, and we very much appreciate it. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you for downloading the extension, and happy present.
A person may hold New Zealand nationality.